Hello viewers, welcome to Mathathon. Today's video, we'll be looking at multiplying a fraction by a whole number. Now a fraction has a numerator as well as a denominator. Here we have 6 over 45, where 6 is our numerator and 45 is our denominator. Now how do we multiply a fraction by a whole number? 1. We write the whole number as a fraction with a denominator of 1. 2. We multiply the numerators. 3. We multiply the denominators. And 4. We simplify if needed. Now we're going to try the first example. We have 3 over 8 being multiplied by 5. The first thing we need to do is put the 5 over 1. So now the 5 has a denominator of 1, and then we're going to multiply. When I multiply 3 by 5, so I'm multiplying two numerators, I will end up with 15. And when I multiply 8 by 1, I will end up with 8. Now, we are left with an improper fraction. Now, we can change this to a mixed number, where we'll end up with 8 into 15 goes 1 time, remainder 7, which will be placed over 8 as the denominator. Let's try another example. We have 2 over 3 being multiplied by 6. The first thing we're going to do is put the 6 over 1 and then go ahead and multiply. Now when I multiply 2 times 6, I end up with 12. And when I multiply 3 by 1, the denominators, I end up with 3. Now here again we have another improper fraction, but it can be changed. Let's see what we'll end up with. Will it be a mixed number? Now if 3, how many times can 3 go into 12? It will give us 4. There's no remainder, so therefore we have a whole number as our answer, which is 4. For the next example, we have 4 being multiplied by a half. We're going to put the 4 over 1 and go ahead and multiply. Now 4 times 1 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. Again, we're going to change this improper fraction and we'll end up with 2 because 2 goes into 4 2 times. There's no remainder, hence we have a whole number as our answer. Let's try another example. We have 1 over 4 being multiplied by 5. So we have a quarter being multiplied by 5. The first thing we should do is put the 5 over 1 and then multiply. We're going to multiply. Now remember, we multiply the numerators and the denominators, and then we're going to simplify if possible. Now 5 times 1 is 5. And 4 times 1 is 4. Alright, so here we have an improper fraction. We can change this to a mixed number where 4 into 5 goes 1 time, leaving 1 as the remainder, and then 4 will be our denominator. Now for this example, I want for you to pause the video, attempt the question. Here we have 3 being multiplied by 2 over 15. And then you're going to compare it with what will be shown afterwards. Now I hope you got this correct. The first thing you should have done is put 1 under the 3 to make it the denominator and then multiply. Here we have 3 times 2, which will give me 6. I hope you got this. And then we're going to multiply 1 by 15, which will give us 15. Now here we don't have an improper fraction, we have a proper. But it can be simplified. We can use 3. So we could say 3 into 6 goes 2 times. So 2 is now my numerator. And 3 into 15 goes 5 times. So 5 is now my denominator. So here I have 2 over 5 as my answer. I hope you got this correct. So we are now at the end of the video. Remember, you should put the whole number over 1, make 1 the denominator, multiply the numerators as well as the denominators, and simplify if possible. If you are left with an improper fraction, you can change it to a mixed number. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.